Are you thinking about upgrading to the new Mac Mini? Stop right there. The guessing game is finally over, but the truth Apple is hiding might actually shock you. Apple is about to drop the brand new M5 Mac Mini, and it is going head-to-head with the heavy-hitting M4 Pro. Before you spend your hard-earned money, you need to hear this. We finally have the complete picture of what Apple is planning. It completely changes the buying advice for every single desktop user. Do not hit that checkout button on an older model just yet. We need to talk about the massive changes hiding inside this tiny silver box. You might think you know what's coming, but the manufacturing secrets behind this launch are unprecedented for Apple. Let's start with the outside because appearances can be deceiving. There is a major leak about the design and the release timeline that you cannot ignore. Mark Gurman recently posted that the new M5 model keeps the exact same 5x5-inch footprint. It is the same tiny, sleek design we all know and love. But don't let the looks fool you. Reports out of the UK suggest Apple is shifting production to Texas for a massive spring rollout. This is a historic move. This means the biggest visual change is that there is no change at all on the surface. Apple is proving they can cram God-level power into a ridiculously small space without changing the shell. You won't need new accessories. You won't need to clear desk space. It is the same form factor, but the inside is a total revolution that makes the previous generation look like an antique. This brings us to the heart of the machine. This is where your daily speed actually changes. Reports indicate the base M5 chip jumps to TSMC's brand new in 3P manufacturing node. This is a massive deal that most people are overlooking. Why? Because the older M4 Pro is actually stuck on the older M3 process. Do you see the irony? The basic M5 is literally using more advanced technology than the current Pro model. This M3P upgrade is the secret to perfect heat control. It means your machine stays ice cold even under a heavy load. No loud fan noise. No thermal throttling. You get more power while the machine stays silent as a grave. The base M5 features a 10-core CPU layout that punches way above its weight class. Early tests show a 15% speed bump over the base M4. But here's the craziest part that will save you money on your electric bill. The M5 stabilizes at only 27.5 watts of power. That is insane efficiency. You are getting world-class performance while sipping barely any electricity. You are essentially getting a supercomputer that runs on the power of a light bulb. The real sleeper hit is the AI jump. AI is everywhere right now, and Apple is not holding back. They actually put a dedicated neural accelerator into every single M5 GPU core. This isn't just a small tweak. This translates to 4 times faster AI processing. If you use AI tools for editing, upscaling, or generating content, this chip will fly. It makes the M4 Pro look like a calculator in comparison when it comes to machine learning tasks. On top of that, the M5 pushes a massive 45% performance uplift in ray tracing. Your games and 3D renders will look better than ever before on a base model Mac. We are talking about professional-grade lighting and shadows on a machine that fits in the palm of your hand. This is the moment the Mac Mini stops being a budget computer and starts being a serious powerhouse. But wait, before you declare the M5 the winner and throw your wallet at Apple, we need a reality check. The M4 Pro is still a beast, and it refuses to go down without a fight. You have to look at the raw numbers. The M5 only has a 10-core GPU. That is exactly half of the M4 Pro's massive 20-core graphics engine. If you are doing intense raw graphical work like heavy 3D modeling or high-end color grading, the M4 Pro still has double the muscle. Then there is the memory bandwidth, which is the hidden bottleneck of most computers. The base M5 reaches 153 gigabytes per second. That is fast, don't get me wrong. But the older M4 Pro completely crushes it at 273 gigabytes per second. This is the secret for video editors. The M4 Pro is still the king for editing heavy 4K video without dropping a single frame. It's the difference between a smooth experience and a frustrating one when your timeline gets complicated. Now let's talk about the ports because connectivity is everything for a desktop user. The standard M5 will max out at Thunderbolt for speeds. This gives the older M4 Pro a massive win in the longevity department. The M4 Pro features Thunderbolt 5. If you transfer massive files all day or use high-end external SSDs, Thunderbolt 5 is a total game changer. You can only get that on the Pro chip. If you buy the M5, you are essentially capping your transfer speeds for the next 5 years. Then there is the price. The base M5 Mac Mini is expected to launch at just $599. That is an incredible value. You get the latest AI tech and the newest chip for a bargain price. Apple rarely gives huge discounts on their premium chips, so don't expect the M4 Pro to get much cheaper just because the M5 is out. You are paying a premium for that Pro name, but for some, it might be worth it. So, what is the final verdict? Which one should you actually buy? You are choosing between the M5's brand new AI efficiency and the raw graphical power of the M4 Pro. It's a battle between the future and the present. If you are a normal user, a student, or a programmer, the M5 is a total steal. It is the smarter and more efficient choice for 90% of people. It gives you the best tech for the lowest price. But if you are a professional animator or a heavy video editor who deals with massive file structures, you cannot ignore the M4 Pro. The 20-core GPU and Thunderbolt 5 ports make it the better choice for creators who push their gear to the absolute limit. Apple finally made their base chips incredible, but the Pro line still has its place for the elite users. My best opinion? Grab the M5. The efficiency and AI gains are the future of computing. Unless you are rendering 8K video every single day, the M4 Pro is overkill for the extra cost. The M5 is the sweet spot of the entire lineup and will likely hold its value much better over the next few years. It's the smartest money you can spend in the Apple ecosystem right now. If you like the video, subscribe, share the video, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update on the latest tech.